So for this problem, to write the standard equation of an ellipse, so given the coordinates of the vertices and the focus, so first we need to plot the given coordinates. So from these vertices, x equals positive 4. So this is positive x and this is positive 4 for x. Then y negative 4, so negative y. And this is negative 4 for y. Then connect. So this is now the point for the vertex. Then the other coordinate of the vertices, x equals negative 8, so negative x. And this is negative 8 for x. Then y negative 4, so this is negative 4 for y. Then connect. And this is now the point of the other vertex. Then from this focus, x is negative 5. So this is negative 5 for x. Then y negative 4. And this is negative 4 for y. Then connect. So this is now the point for the focus. Now observe that the position of an ellipse depends on the position of the vertices or the foci. Since on this graph the vertices is in horizontal position, therefore this ellipse is a horizontal ellipse. And this is the standard formula for the horizontal ellipse. So we have x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared then equals 1. Then first we need to find the values for h and k. So h and k from the center of an ellipse. So from this graph, we need to find the center using these coordinates of the vertices. So since these are the two vertex, so therefore using this point and this point to locate the center and using the counting method. So in counting, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12, then divide by 2 to find the center. And this is equal to 6. Then this time we need to count 6 to locate the center. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is now the point of the center and this point in negative x. So this is negative 2. Then we need to align to the vertex. So this is now the point for the center and the coordinate for the center. So x is negative 2 and y is negative 4. So the coordinate is negative 2 and negative 4. And the center of an ellipse, so this is h and k. So we have h equals negative 2 and k equals negative 4. Then this time we need to find the values for a and b. So using this formula to find a and b. So for a, center to vertex, so since from this given, we have this given vertex, so therefore, we can solve for a using this formula. So from center to vertex, so this is the center, and this one is the vertex. So using the counting method, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, a is equal to 6. Then to solve for b, b is center to co-vertex. So since from this given there is no co-vertex, so therefore we cannot use this formula to solve for B. Then the other formula for B, the minor axis divide by 2. Since there is no given minor axis, so therefore we cannot solve B using this formula. So since we cannot solve B using the two formulas, then we need to solve for C to solve for B, and C, center to focus. So since this one is the center and this is the focus, so therefore to solve for C, so we have 1, 2, 3. So therefore C is equal to 3. Then since we have now the values for A and C, so we can solve now for B using this formula. So B equals the square root of A squared minus C squared. Then substitute now the values. So A is equal to 6. Then C is equal to 3. Then simplify. So the 6 squared, that's 36, minus 3 squared, that's 9. Then 36 minus 9, so we have now B equals the square root of 27. So since we have now the four values, the H, the K, the A, and B, so we can write now the standard equation for this ellipse from this formula. So substitute now all the values. So we have x minus h, and h is negative 2. Then y minus k, and k is negative 4. Then we have a squared, and a is 6. So this one is 6 squared. Then b squared, b is square root of 27, then to the power 2. Then to simplify, so this double negative, this becomes positive, and this double negative becomes positive. And for this 6 squared, this one is 36. Then for this square root of 27 to the power 2, so cancel now the radical. So this is equal to 27. So this is now the standard equation for this ellipse.